Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm speaking louder, so the mic doesn't just do that shh thing, and you can hear me better when I'm. Oh, I died. I died quickly. Oh, does that? Well, oh, I never die. Apparently, Princess Anna. Oh, when I die, my birds sacrifice themselves. Oh, so that's why they died before. Okay, let's pick up my stuff. And my poo. Wait, does that mean... oh, thank God, thank God, thank God. Wait, who died? Who died? No way, man. Guys, you know who died? Guys, guess who died? It's gonna shock you, but my favorite one died. Damn it. I tried so hard. I tried so hard. Alright. So, today, we're gonna try hatch them. Ooh, pumpkins. Beauty. We're gonna try hatch the rest of our, eggs that these turds killed. I could break down these houses and they could never spawn back and I would be safe forever and ever and ever. But that ain't gonna happen. Anyway, so guys... Guess who just died? Sorry, friend. Keep you there. Actually, I'll store you in Q. There you go. You keep... What was her name? Safe. I know it again. I know it again. Be back now, guys. Anyway, guys, I am back. Sorry about that. I had to go take my Hoover down to... No, I had to come bring my Hoover up to my landing. Because that's where we put it. Anyway, wait, what did I do? Oh, unequipped. Why am I so slow? Oh, I'm not. Okay. So, what was I saying? Yeah, we're gonna try to hatch as many as, the Trillbird eggs as we can. They're all kept in salt. And Melissa is kept in, Una. Because this thing killed her. Poop. I could befriend him, or I could slaughter him. Let's try to befriend him, and then slaughter him. Let's pick up this. Let's go make a friend. I got a friend in me. Actually, no, because he won't stay outside. He'll stay outside, and then he'll eat my eggs. I got a frost hat. So, there's a lot of new things in this game, like, the beautiful crowns, bunny house hat. These are all, like, things. Walrus tusk. Where would I get a walrus tusk? Walrus... I can't say that. Bunny tuff, we can get that. Grass tuff, we can get that. Blue stuff, we can get that. Yeah, so we can... I can, you know... Puppy Queen crown. Ooh. Shield sanity. Ooh, what's this? Phoenix helmet. Ooh, I think I have that. Phoenix helmet? I got Phoenix helmet. What do you do? Wait, what? Oh, no, let me zoom in and see what that said. Hello. Warm up. Okay, what's it? Warm up, medium, speed, 10. Warm up, sanity regain, health. Ooh, this is like a better version. Oh, that looks so cool. I look awesome. Look how cool I look. Look how detailed she is. Look how detailed my birdie is. Hello. I mean, this character doesn't really fit in with the game. Well, she does, but, you know, like, the design of her doesn't, because I think she's from a different game or something. So, that's cool. I really do like her, though. She's like my new favourite character, but especially Melissa, which you are keeping safe, aren't you, Una? I just remembered Melissa is supposed to be older than Una, and Melissa just died, so... Really? I'm reincarnating a dead pigeon. I'm reincarnating a dead fire pigeon that looks like a bulb. Plant bulb. Okay. Normal. Let's see how hungry these guys are. Oh, they're quite hungry. Let's feed them some meat. Give you your meat. Are you happy? Yay, you pooped for me. That makes me so happy. I wonder if she can... I know there's a way to, make... You? No. J. Yay! Hello, doggy. His name is Gunter. Hopefully. Spell. Uh-oh, what have I done? Oh, no. I just killed him. Oh, my sanity is low. I mean, it is like low. Okay, it's my sanity. 23, 24. Ooh. Yeah, the helmet heals me, doesn't it? So, it's my sanity. This is my hunger. This is my health. You can already figure that out. And this is the time, and this is the day. Something just flew. Oh, okay. So. Oh god, don't go outside the light. Don't leave the light, guys. Don't leave the light. Let's just pick you up for you next to the fire. First, let's light the fire. Yeah, let's pick the pumpkin. Let's give it to Yuna. Yuna, here's the pumpkin. I wonder if we can, like, shoot a pigeon. Oh. Attack! You better run. See. I think you can. Ooh, pomegranate. Yeah. Never eat a pomegranate. Yeah. Ooh, this is gonna be, like, hard to do. Ooh, maybe I should turn off my head. What else? No. Oh, we can make spells. Birds of the will. 1,000 species. Habits, habitats, and balls. Okay. And applied horticulture. On the care and feeding of plants. Use a cuisine to build protect. Yeah, what are these? Sleep time. Shooting tails to send you off dreamland. I'm not very good at reading, if you didn't already notice. It's Phantom. Where are you? You. No. Drop. No! No! Okay. Drop. Drop. Don't cuff, just drop. I'm gonna end up cooking another one up. Let's eat this. When I'm hungry. Look how big my dog grows. My dog grows overnight. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Quick attack, guys. So bad. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. Fleshy ball. These are a new thing within the game. Just come in here. Just give me back to him. I think it's control. Shift click. There you go. Okay, so could make a good try. Yeah, to kill me. You're crazy. You're nasty. I could. Hello, buddy. Let's bring back Melissa. What do you think? Uh-oh. What wants to fight me? I have a wolf. What do I feed a wolf? What do I feed a wolf? Nua? Okay, he is going to... Oh my god, I'm so happy. I think the wolf is gonna come right. Feed. Can't feed you. You need food. You don't need food. Oh, kill it. Kill it with fire. Kill it with fire. No, not having this. You wanna fight me? Yeah, you stupid. Try to kill me. Okay. Anyway guys, see you in the next video. Bye bye.